The Direct Sales Onboarding Blueprint, step by step with ConveYour. A great recruiting month means nothing if your new reps don't make it to the field. And in direct sales, the first 30 days make or break a recruit's success. The challenge? Most onboarding programs are either too overwhelming with information overload or too vague where reps don't know what to do next. That's why we've built this Direct Sales Onboarding Blueprint, a proven sequence that moves reps from just signed up to ready to sell without burning out your managers in the process. So let's go over these now. Step 1, set one clear first goal. Avoid long, complicated milestones early on. Reps need a quick win to build momentum. Example, book your first customer appointment within 3 days. Why it works. This goal anchors all early training and gives reps a clear purpose. Step 2, give them the essentials first. In week 1, they only need product basics, how to talk to a prospect, and how to log a sale or appointment. Everything else can wait until after they achieve that first goal. Step 3, use AI to answer repetitive questions. With ConveYour's Portal AI feature, you can upload all onboarding docs, guides, and scripts. You can let AI handle where do I and how do I questions instantly. And you can keep managers focused on coaching and recruiting. Step 4, automate check-ins. Instead of manually chasing reps, use the platform notifications to remind them about incomplete tasks. We call these nudges in ConveYour. Don't just message reps if they fall behind, congratulate them when they hit milestones. Automation means nobody slips through the cracks and success is recognized. Step 5, track engagement and act fast. ConveYour gives you the ability to track onboarding progress so you can see who's engaged and on track, step in quickly if a rep stops moving forward, and focus manager time where it matters. Real-world impact. Direct sales teams using this blueprint have reduced drop-off in the first 30 days by up to 40%. They've given managers back 15 hours a week for recruiting, and they've increased the number of reps who reach the field and make their first sale. Your next step. Whether you're onboarding 5 or 500 new reps a month, following this blueprint will help you. It's going to help you get them selling faster, it'll reduce manager burnout, and it will build a stronger field force. Hey, if you're not a ConveYour client yet, you can see the onboarding blueprint in action by booking a demo today. Use the description link or the button on this page. Are you already a ConveYour client? Contact us at support@conveyor.com to get set up with the onboarding flow in your account. Next in the series, we're going to talk about how BrightPath doubled recruit retention in 90 days.